Metals have been essential to human society for thousands of years, playing a critical role in the development of civilization. Metals have been used for thousands of years in various forms, from simple copper tools in the Bronze Age to advanced alloys used in modern aerospace applications. Join us as we explore the exciting world of industry and manufacturing, and gain a new appreciation for the complex processes and technologies that make our modern world possible. First metal is gold. Gold is a chemical element with the symbol O from Latin, aurum, and atomic number 79. This makes it one of the higher atomic number elements that occur naturally. Default gold is used for jewelry, currency, investment, electronics, medicine, dentistry, and aerospace. Due to its beauty, durability, rarity, and unique properties as a good conductor of electricity and ability to reflect heat and light. In the list, the second metal is silver. Silver is a chemical element with the symbol Ag and atomic number 47, a soft, white, lustrous transition metal. Silver has long been valued as a precious metal. Silver metal is used in many bullion coins, sometimes alongside gold. While it is more abundant than gold, it is much less abundant as a native metal. Silver is used for jewelry, currency, investment, electronics, photography, mirrors, and in some medical and industrial applications due to its high electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, reflectivity, and malleability. The third metal is copper. Copper is a chemical element with the symbol Cu from Latin, cuprum, and atomic number 29. It is a soft, malleable, and ductile metal with very high thermal and electrical conductivity. Copper is used for electrical wiring, plumbing, architecture, coins, industrial machinery, and in some medical applications due to its excellent electrical and thermal conductivity, corrosion resistance, and malleability. Now the time for fourth, that is, mercury. Mercury is a chemical element with the symbol Hg and atomic number 80. It is also known as quicksilver. Mercury is used in thermometers, lighting, electrical switches, chemical production, dental fillings, and gold mining due to its unique properties as a liquid at room temperature and excellent electrical conductivity. However, its use is limited due to its toxicity and potential health risks. The fifth metal in this video is magnesium. Magnesium is a chemical element with the symbol Mg and atomic number 12. It is a shiny gray metal having a low density, low melting point, and high chemical reactivity. Magnesium is used for lightweight parts in the automotive and aerospace industries, pyrotechnics, alloy production, medical applications, and construction due to its low density, high strength, and excellent chemical reactivity. So that's it for today's video. We cover up more metals in the next part of this video. Hope you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe.